Mounting the LokkLatch Series 3 is quick and easy on most gates. It comes with a short or long striker option for different applications. Determine if your gate is left or right swinging. Take the supplied rear mounting bracket and fit it to the back of the latch in the correct opening direction and insert the 2 fixing screws. Mount the latch at the desired height to the fence post using the 4 supplied fixing screws. Fit the striker assembly to the gate using the 4 supplied fixing screws so that the horizontal striker pin fits neatly in the V of the latch. Now, test the operation of the latch. Take the supplied threaded connecting rod and screw on the connection pin. Hook the connection pin into the latch trip plate. Fit the push button assembly. Wind the threaded rod until it connects into the push button assembly. Fit the push button cover and screw in the 4 fixing screws. Now cut off the excess connection rod. Installation is now complete.